Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, I so loved that bronzed glam makeup look. You guys have no idea how this makeup look has turned out. It is like I'm falling for that makeup look honestly, because it is going with my skin tone and also it goes with every attire from Indian to Western to Indo-Western, everything, especially when you are wearing some warm tone attire. So let's see how did I create this makeup look. And as you guys can see, I have tried this makeup look with both Indian and Western outfits, so let me know which one did you like the most. So summers are here and so the dehydration, sunburns and pigmentation problems are here. To solve this problem, Mamaearth has launched its Aloe Ashwagandha range, which gives a youthful glowing skin. So let's start with this Mamaearth Aloe and Ashwagandha face wash. It has the key ingredients like aloe, ashwagandha and glycerin, which give extra love and oodles of hydration to your skin. It deeply cleanses your skin and reduces the pigmentation and evens out the skin tone. And let me tell you guys one thing, Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than they use, and also every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as part of this initiative. Isn't it great, guys? So see how my face is looking so clean and radiant after washing. And after washing my face, I will be applying this Mamaearth Aloe Ashwagandha gel, which deeply moisturizes my skin and gives a youthful radiant skin. It comes with a lightweight formula which quickly absorbs into the skin. And by the way, both the products are free from any harmful chemicals or toxins, silicons or parabens. So you can use them daily as they are made safe certified. They are rich in antioxidants and suitable for all skin types. Aloe vera present in this gel soothes irritated and inflamed skin, and ashwagandha is great for anti-aging and it targets wrinkles. So if you want to purchase this product, you can use my coupon code, which is Mousumi2022, to get 20% off, which is valid only on their official website and app. And by the way, the Mamaearth products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Firstcry. So say hello to glow with Mamaearth Aloe Ashwagandha range. So now I will be starting my makeup with the primer first, and for that I will be using a silicone based matte primer, which I always do because I have combination skin. So if you have oily or combination skin, you can definitely use such matte primer, or else you can use that ashwagandha gel from Mamaearth also in place of that primer. After that, I will be using a lightweight foundation and taking one pump only. I will be spreading it all over my face little by little using a beauty blender. As you guys can see, my dark spots are visible. I'm not covering up them at all because during the summer season, the lighter your base is, the less you will sweat. And anyway, I don't like the full coverage look that much, so yeah, such kind of a lightweight foundation is absolutely perfect for me. And don't forget your neck also while applying your foundation, and see the subtle glow on my face after the foundation application. So let me know in the comments, guys, which kind of look you want to see next, and also if you want to achieve such look, please go through every step I'm following here minutely and then practice them at home. You will certainly be able to achieve such glam. So after the foundation application, I have applied the concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone to highlight my face, and I have applied it on my chin, around my mouth, cupid bow, on the bridge of my nose, forehead, under the eyes and on my eyelid as well. Highlighting your face is something which brightens up your facial features, so yeah. So who follow my long videos minutely knows that how much I'm obsessed with the liquid products recently. So yeah, that is why I have applied that liquid, sorry, not liquid, this is a cream blush. Actually, I have applied that cream blush on the apples of my cheeks to get a dewy glowy base. And make sure you blend them nicely, otherwise it will look jog, you know. So yeah. So today I won't be using any other liquid products. After that I will be using that translucent powder only, just to set my concealer wherever I have applied it. I won't be using the translucent powder all over my face because I think I might lose that glowy effect from my face. So yeah. Now to get a defined structure to my face, I will be using the contour powder very light-handedly on the cheekbones and on my forehead, on the jaw lines, and I will be contouring my nose as well, and will be applying that contour powder underneath my lower lips. So yeah, that. So I think light contouring gives a subtle and soft touch to the face. What do you think, guys? Let me know that in the comments. So the contouring is done now. I will be applying that powder blush on top of my cream blush, and as you guys can see, I'm already getting that sun-kissed bronzed glow on my face, isn't it? So now is the time to apply your highlighter, and I won't be doing any carbono today while applying the highlighter. So yeah, I have applied the highlighter on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the forehead, chin, cupid bow, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So now to set all the base products, I will be applying that setting spray all over my face, and will be waiting for 2 minutes while doing my eyebrows off camera. So now let's start the eye makeup. Some people do the eye makeup first and some do it at the end. I like it doing after the base makeup is done, you guys know that. So first I have applied that kajal very lightly all over my eyelid. Just remember, don't cross the crease line, and also make sure the kajal is not that much intense in color. It has to be light. So yeah. Now smudge the edges of the kajal with a clean brush, taking your time, and create a smoky effect in the crease areas. Take your time like that, but you have to do it very carefully. Next, on top of that kajal, apply a dark brown eyeshadow little by little, and here also don't cross the crease line. I didn't want the intense black colored kajal because of it only. If I would have applied the intense black color, the brown eyeshadow wouldn't be that much visible. So yeah, that is why. Now taking a light brown eyeshadow, I will be smudging all the edges of the brown eyeshadow. After that, on half of my eyelid, I will be using this bronzy, shimmery, dark brown eyeshadow to get an elusive look to the eyes. And again, taking that brown eyeshadow, I will be blending that in the crease area. And now for the waterline and for my lower eyelid, I will be following that same technique. First I will be applying the kajal, and then taking that brown eyeshadow, I will be smudging it nicely and will give a smoky effect underneath my eyes. Next, taking a highlighting shade, I will be highlighting my inner corner of the eyes, and after that I will be just applying a multiple coats of the mascara on my eyelashes, and that's it for my eye makeup. And lastly, for the lips, I couldn't think of anything but a brown lipstick. Yeah, first I have applied a dark brown color on my lips, and then in the middle applied a light brown shade and blended it with the help of my finger, and yeah, that's it. So the first one goes in western outfit with some western jewelry, and see the makeup, guys. It's looking so trendy, glowy, smart and gorgeous, isn't it, guys? What do you think? Let me know that in the comments. And after that, with that same makeup, without changing anything, I have just put some Indian jewelries and worn a sari and a bindi, and that's it. See, isn't it looking totally different yet so trendy and glamorous? So which one? That look in the sari or with the western outfit? And also don't forget to comment on how much you love that makeup look, guys. I want to know like crazy. So yeah, don't forget to like and share this video also, and new visitors, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.